In the energy markets, crude oil was up today, first up day in the last four, but we're working on a fourth straight week lower right now. And the last 7 days, we've had 5 down days, only 2 up days in the last 7. And as I mentioned, this month particularly was a pretty dramatic move down. Over the last 2 months, crude oil's been down about 13.4% from those July highs. We haven't recovered any of that yet. Today was an inside range day, which generally means a continuation. So if you take that 5 of 7 days down, you take that inside range, it kind of means that the market didn't have enough of a recovery to get above a new high, but also no news to push it back lower. And overall, those tend to be continuations. So you would expect us to see, just off of that technical signal, lower prices, although that's not enough really to trade off of if you're trading responsibly. Saudi Arabia, and I'm paraphrasing, said it will not allow the current trend to continue. So the downtrend, at least, is not something Saudi Arabia is in favor of. You would expect that would mean they would cut more of their production, but they're already below their their agreed upon OPEC quota. They're much below that. So they would have to get somebody else on board with that or cut more themselves. Not likely that they're going to do that without getting maybe the UAE, maybe Russia on board. That is not going to be an easy prospect, at least now, but that's part of the reason that crude oil recovered. Another part might be yesterday's refinery utilization number, which jumped to 96.4. That is the strongest since the 4th week of December of last year, and only the second time in 2019 that refinery utilization has been above 96 at all. The last time was January, after that 96.7 number that we had week 4 December. Week 1 of January, we had a 96.1. This was stronger than that. So what does that mean? Well, that means immediate demand at the refinery level. Now, given that we had a build in gasoline and a build in crude oil in that same batch of EIA data, you could potentially see that refinery utilization number drop off, although August seasonally is strong for crude oil as well. Watch that refinery utilization number over the next couple of weeks. It could give you the general direction of crude oil with all else equal.